Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd quickly create this tutorial today to show you how to get secrets in Plants vs Brainrots. You can not only get all secret plants, but you can also get the secret Brainrots. So this is going to get you every single available secret in Plants vs Brainrots using a working code that you can redeem right now in 2025, and it's going to unlock all secrets, guys. This is the easiest, fastest, and most simplest method working right now. So let's get into the video and show you how to get all secrets in Plants vs Brainrots. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone and have an internet connection. So as you can see, I'm using an iPhone, but you can do this on Android as well. And you need to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, just type it exactly like this. Pretty simple. And it's going to bring you to Cold Coupons. Now, they have loads of codes pages on here. As you can see, they have hundreds of pages. So you need to find the Plants vs Brainrots codes page. And on this page, guys, once you click on it, they're going to have a list of different codes available for you. So all you need to do, guys, is find the all secrets code. They have specific like Brainrots and plants, but you do need to select the all secrets one. And this is going to get you all secret plants and all secret Brainrots. So no matter which side you prefer, guys, you're going to get all secrets unlocked. So click on that. Unlock all secrets in Plants vs Brainrots. So this is your code. Click on show full code and it's going to find you one, guys. Like I said, I spent hours this morning searching for this method, and this is a new game, but this is currently the easiest and fastest method to get all secrets. So as you can see, you need to unlock your code, guys. These are limited codes, and of course, all secrets are pretty desirable. So this stops people creating like robots to take all of the codes, basically. So you need to unlock your personal code. So click on this button, follow the instructions. Long story short, guys, I've already done this, like I said, so I'm just going to skip through this. But you need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks on this page. As you can see, free, all completely free. You just need to choose 2 of them and follow the small text that tells you how to complete that specific task. So really simple. Just complete a couple of these tasks on this page, and I'm going to skip past that. But if you do everything correctly, your Plants vs Brainrots code will be shown here and fully revealed. You can redeem it in-game, and that is how to get all secrets in Plants vs Brainrots Roblox. Very, very easy, guys. Go to Cold Coupons and just find this codes page here and select the all secrets code. They do have other codes as well, so feel free to have a browse. Drop a like and subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.